Exhale, downward facing dog.
Wow, good lighting. Who is she? Don't know her. Good morning. Why did I say that? Good morning. Today, I think me and Darrington are going to Boulder, Colorado to go to a planetarium and like take a tour of a tea house or something. I don't know, but it's gonna be fun. I'm excited. We picked indoor activities today, or mostly indoor activities. The high for today is 20 degrees. It's gonna be a good day. I'm excited. Hello. Hello. You're a pretty bird. Oh my god. Pretty little bird. Oh my gosh, stop. Oh, stop yelling at me. What are we about to do?
Sip and spill, cause we know we're real. This freaking tea, booty hole.
Gonna sip this tea.
Sip this tea, spill it.
When you're both vloggers.
Yes.
I love myself. Look how cute that is. That tea wasn't good?
It's supposed to be a sugar cookie. Some.
It's hot. It smells like sugar cookie, but I don't know if it tastes like it. That one's good. Maple ginger. That's pretty good. Ooh, that's cold. This one's good.
My breath smells nice now.
Oh no. I love that one. That's a good one. What do you think?
Good.
Wow. It's a mug, man. This is dangerous because I love mugs. Oh, hello. I'm vlogging. I just spent $35 on 2 mugs and 2 teas. One mug is for me and one mug is for...
Girl, why are you this close to my face?
Okay, we have a story, but we have to spill this tea quietly.
Okay, so we were in the tea shop, right? And you know, like Celestial Seasonings got like all these different flavored stuff, you know? And so there was soap, and I was looking at it, and then like this couple came up right next to me. And they were talking, you know, and I was trying to like mind my own business, but you know, I'm keeping cautious because, you know, you got to be aware of the people's around you. And so anyways, in the corner of my eye, I look real quick, and the homegirl, she go and pocket a bunch of soap in her, and I put in her coat pocket, and I was like, let me walk away before I get shot. Because, you know, they be trying to shoot us out here, so this is too close to my face.
Ooh, there are really some thieves out here, man.
Otherwise, if we do see you with your phone out, we will ask you to put it away. And finally, if you have anything in your mouth, so like candy, anything.
Okay, so we just did the tour of the factory, and it was really cool and interesting. My favorite part was the peppermint tea room. It was so strong.
Wrong car!
It was so strong that it opened my sinuses, okay? I've had like congestion for a solid 2 weeks. I appreciated that. Thank you, Celestial Seasonings. Wait, is that what it's called? Okay. What?
I told you we should have went.
Are you freaking? We climbed up a hill to get to this planetarium. And guess what? is closed. How rude. No. Let's sneak in. Let's break it.
There's a password.
What's the password?
911.
911. Help! My nose is cold. Yeah, I guess we walk back to the car now. Shoot. I can't believe that.
I literally jinxed it. I said, watch this not be open.
When did you say that? How dare you? Booty hole grape juice doo-doo.
Hi, I'd like to tell you all about a little something. Booty hole grape juice doo-doo.
Hello. All right, so me and Darrington don't know what we're doing today. I think we're gonna meet up with his sister and his sister's friend, and we're gonna go to Castle Rock, Colorado. It's so cold that our things that we can do like in the area are very limited because it's 17 degrees outside right now. Like, I'm pretty good at tolerating the cold because I'm always hot. And even like last night when we were in 20-degree weather, like I was wearing pantyhose and a dress and I was fine. I really wasn't too cold. So like I can handle that stuff, but I mean, it's understandable that other people can't. So yeah, we don't really know what we're gonna do today. We're gonna go to Castle Rock. We're gonna go to Castle Rock and see if we can find anything to do that doesn't involve us freezing our off. I got some coffee. It's like double chocolate coffee grounds or something. It's delicious. I have 2 days left in Colorado, but I have 3 days until I'll be home in Shreveport. Gotta make the most of it, you feel? But being in Colorado has really like made me consider like living here in the future, because if you don't know, I was a military brat and I grew up in like basically 3 different states: Mississippi, Washington State, and Louisiana. And my favorite place I've ever lived of all time was Washington, because I loved the cold, I loved the mountains. We lived close enough to Mount Rainier to where we could drive up there almost every weekend and go sledding. We lived really close to Pike Place Market, and my childhood was so happy there. I loved it so much. So for a long time, I've just always known like I want to move back somewhere where it's cold, because I just hate the heat. I've always thought that I wanted to move back to Washington just because I had such a great childhood there that I just automatically thought that I would be happy again there. I kind of learned a lot about myself, one being that I have depression. And although Washington is a beautiful state and I love the cold and I love the scenery, it's very gloomy there like 90% of the year. My depression tends to get worse when it is just gloomy for days on end. So as much as I love Washington, I don't think that I could live there because I would be miserable. But after seeing Colorado, it has everything that I love in Washington: the mountains, the cold, the beautiful city. But Darrington said that at least 300 days out of the year are blue skies and sunny. I just could see myself living here, because after college I definitely want to go somewhere else as soon as possible for my career, because for the career that I want to do, journalism and writing, I don't think that I could do much or start well in Shreveport. I just don't feel like Shreveport has much for me. So I feel like it would be best for me to start my career in a bigger city with more options, more to write about, because Shreveport is so boring. Just being in Colorado has really, I could really see myself living here one day, for sure, because it has everything that I want. I guess that's it. I'll see you whenever we actually do something.
Step up, Rio. This is some white people stuff. Rio, step up.
Ooh, maybe you need to get closer.
No, I'm not doing this. How about you hold the bird? Because you're naturally a white person.
No. Be a white person for once.
Girl, I'm not white. How am I going to be a white person?
By holding that bird.
Rio. See, he's trying to avoid me. See, he's avoiding me. He's on the other side of the thing. See, if we walk away, he's going to come back this way. Come on, Rio.
Ooh.
See? Step up. Nope, we done with that. Okay, I'm here. ¿Qué quieres conmigo? ¿Qué quiero conmigo? No, ¿qué quieres conmigo?
Yeah, did you say what do you want from me?
Yeah. Oh, I had some fried chicken today.
Boy, do not fight that bird. Shh. It's giving me hot flashes.
Step up, Rio.
You don't like us. I'm scared. Where he at? He's under his cage. I didn't see him at first.
He's under his cage?
Yes, he's under it.
So he can walk across this carpet and come. He's crossing his boundaries. If that thing start flying here. Oh! He's flying.
I'm scared. I'm having hot flashes.
You need to stay there. Ooh, got my My thigh hair is standing up straight. This is my house.
There. Was he afraid of you? You big bird.
He's so sweet to her, but he don't like us.
No, he don't.
Maybe he's just saying hi.
You scared.
He can feel my hormone, my pheromones.
Your
My pheromones like.
We're really in IKEA right now, taking pictures, using all of these rooms as like for photo shoots. And Darrington's pictures are turning out great,
Oh, thank
but mine aren't. Maybe because Darrington is a legit fashion model. If you guys
Okay.
didn't know that. We really in IKEA, not to shop, not to get ideas for freaking furniture, but to take pictures.
Yep.
I put the IKEA like vegetable balls and I put the IKEA vegetable ball things and other fixins on top of some kale. That's good. First of all, I wasn't expecting IKEA to have anything vegan. The whole like vegetable thing is vegan. I looked it up before I bought it. And it was really cheap. It was only like $4. I didn't feel like making anything, so gotta get your daily greens, kids. Anyway, that's the end of today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a wild ride, but we're here. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.